Good morning. I'm so short. It's what time in the morning?
7:15.
And Mama made me wake up because she wants to go on around the island on ATVs. On an ATV because I'm not allowed, I'm too young. So she's gonna drive me. And we're just gonna have breakfast now. I'm not in focus. There we go. And we're gonna have breakfast now and then we're gonna go rent the ATVs. And go explore the island.
That sounds awesome. Let's go with the blue door.
Change of plans. We're not going for breakfast because
Starts at 8.
it starts at 8 and it's 7.
Hi, Joshy's fans. Just so you know, Josh is out of order for today.
I walked in the store.
Out of order.
Because he turned into an alien.
So, I'll be vlogging for him today. Me too. I just want to say that it is 12:13 and we are heading
12:14 in 30 seconds.
and we are heading out to a beach. So if you thought this was cool, give us a thumbs up and subscribe. And if you thought this video was so good, leave a comment and subscribe.
So Team Siblings is back and they got ATVs. So we have 2 ATVs and we're gonna go back to the beach we're just at and eat some dinner and then go to the Super Paradise. Then we're gonna go to the Super Paradise Beach.
Move over.
Right?
After Jonah.
Jonah found out about it. Thank you, Jonah.
Welcome.
Really cool here and the view is just amazing.
I feel like I'm living in an edited picture.
He feels like he's living in an edited picture. I feel the same, Jonah. Paradise.
So awesome.
The best It's like a half restaurant, half beach resort. So after you eat, you can go down and use their couches and stuff. It's just so awesome. I'm just gonna go check out the bathroom now because I heard it's really cool. So I'll show you guys. I stepped on a rock, a shell, or like a shark bit me. I don't know why. My foot hurts and it's bleeding. I strongly don't like the water here in Greece because it's just so, like so many big rocks, seaweed, sharp things in the water, and I heard there's sharks. Paradise Beach. Let's hope it's better than the last one. I don't cut myself again. The water's really nice. It looks better than the other beach, but we're not gonna go swimming because no one's swimming here. And we don't want to get wet for no reason, so we're gonna go just have a drink here and then go to our hotel pool for a little bit and maybe Mykonos town.
Josh thinks he's cool. He has absolutely no balance. You can do it. Wait, I just did it.
We're here in Mykonos town and we're just exploring. And then we're gonna get gyros later. Woo! This is probably the coolest street in all of Mykonos. I really like it. Bunch of stairs to the 5 windmills. going tomorrow to Santorini. I'm gonna miss this place so much. But I will buy a house here one day, so I'll see it again every day. Oh my gosh. First time looking at myself and my nose is all red.
Look at mine.
Jonah's eating ice cream. But my nose is all red. I hope this burn turns into a tan. Anyways, now we're going to night swim at the pool for a little bit. But before that, I'm gonna edit some pictures and upload. Talk to you later. You know what? I can't wait to go to the pool. So let's go. GoPro mode.
It won't be too long till we're back as one again.
The pool was really fun. I'm back in the hotel room, just uploading some pictures. Anyways, tomorrow morning we have to get up early again, so I'm gonna go to bed now. That was awesome.
Girl, I know you're bad and I know that you can have any guy that you want.